Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing 2 pages in my memory planner. I have my collages done for each week. This one, I just have 6 photos. This one, I still was able to do a collage of 8. It was just a less taking picture week as I thumbed through my phone, which is quite all right from time to time. So this one is for this week, and then once we're done, we will flip it over and then do that week. For this first one, I have pulled out the Seasons of Color sticker book from Happy Planner and then the Ingrid Blooms for the big, but we're just going to take, a compilation of these stickers and come up with something really fun and pretty to look at. Let me zoom in just a little bit so that you can watch me a little bit more and get started. Yeah. Just chose 2. I mean, granted, I did kind of thumb through it so I can probably take a title piece from this one maybe, and then just some of the other pretty ones from this one as well. Really both pretty, and I don't think I've used anything. Oh no, there's a few gone. I have used a few. I was worried there. All right, let's get started. Okay, so let's start thumbing through the Seasons of Life sticker book. I also just cut down my photos. I like to have them balanced, so with the grid of 6, I made sure that 3 were on one side and 3 were on the other. That's just a design feature that I like to do. So as I flip through here, sometimes for my pages, I like to gravitate to truly even for like a title or a large quote. You'll see that as a common theme usually when I'm doing my memory planning pages. So I did find one that says, when in doubt, add flowers, which hello, that should be like my motto. And so I'm thumbing through the additional sticker book as you see now, but I will say, unfortunately, nothing really from this book struck me to kind of go with that one that I was already like kind of selected. So the Ingrid Blooms does not make an appearance, unfortunately, in this layout, but I do use this one and one of the other large flourishes from this sheet where the quote was. And then I go into my trusty collection of Live, Love, Posh sticker books, and I use a couple more flourishes that have the same color palette as this, meaning like a pink, reds, and Merlot colors, but I do end up using, I think it was more like the pinks, because I had a like half-use sticker sheet that I was like, oh, let's just use this one up. And so I think I add 2 or 3 more clusters, and then I will adhere the photos just as you see. I think I did it as a balance thing, 3 on the bottom on the left and 3 at the top on the right, and easy peasy. See how there's only like 2 left, and I was like, yep, let's just kill that sheet. That works out perfectly. And I think also what I go in and add is a few of those black and white straight illustrations of flowers that were also from the Live, Love, Posh collection, just to add a couple more details within the page itself. And then I think, yeah, that'll wrap it up, and I move on to the next page. So then I move on to the next page, and this one, since I had the cluster of 8, there are going to be 4 on each side. And then once I was going through that sticker book right there, that breathe in positivity, loved it, using it, love it so much. So I already kind of, I guess, thumbed through a Live, Love, Posh sticker book with the florals, and they're all in these purple and mauve tones, which is just beautiful as well. So usually I like the Live, Love, Posh. I hate to say it, this is what I'm dominant on right now. I haven't really done any of the scrapbooking collections. I promise I will bring them back. But when you just love something so much, and especially since too, we buy these sticker books, I don't want them sitting in my stash. I want to buy the new ones too, but I cannot justify buying more floral sticker books while I have all these gorgeous ones to use. So I promised myself to use up a few, and then you can purchase new ones. So that is what I'm going to do. I will bust out some of my scrapbooking supplies in my memory planner, but like I said, the floral stickers just always have my heart, and this is just a fun side project for me as well, and just love that. Look how cute it came out too. I mean, they're fun. This project is fun. Do it. Start with this week and just get a memory planner and use it as your memory keeping. Okay, that will wrap up both of these spreads in my memory planner. So they're both quite simple. This one more simple than the other one, but sometimes the weeks they need to be like that. At least it's plenty of room for my journaling, and there's balance, you know, because that's how I kind of did the balance. I look for that when I do my layouts. And over here, again, just the balance. So they mimic each other slightly, and it turned out really great. And so plenty of room for journaling. And you know how I've been doing it too, with colored ink. So I'll probably pick either a green or a pink for this one, and find something in a purple or a pink for this one as well. And get to it. But for this video, thank you so much. 2 layouts done in my memory planner. Please subscribe if you're new to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, everyone, bye.